Hello, today we are testing our new Sempex VT531 using it off camera with our Sempex flash trigger and receiver. So first open our flash. It's a Sempex flash model number VT531. It's a manual flash. It's come with a sync cable or flash. Its flash stand is there. There's a manual. So open our flash. This is a manual flash. This is universal. You can use it on Canon or Nikon bodies, any Nikon model, any Canon model. It's very simple. Simple here. It's on off button, test button, mode button. It's a power intensity button, plus or minus to lowering the power or increasing the power. There is an external battery pack connector. It's a sync port, a battery compartment, put the batteries here, switch it on. It's working fine. So now let's see our flash trigger and receivers. These are newly introduced Sempex trigger. It's very good quality compared to other which were coming in the market previously. Its frequency is 2.5 gigahertz. It's LED display, LED channels. It's 4-in-1. You can use it with your speed light, your flash, or you can use it as a remote also. And this is our trigger. It comes with batteries and manual. And this is our receiver. Let's see, open our receiver. This is a receiver. Digitech also makes these kind of same flash trigger and receiver. The only difference is these are TTL pass through and these are not TTL pass through. I'll tell you what is a TTL pass through. TTL pass through flash trigger means if you are using your TTL flash with these triggers, your TTL function will pass to camera. But any other flash trigger, if you are using any other trigger with your TTL camera, with your TTL flash, your TTL function won't pass to the camera and your TTL flash will work as a manual. But with this TTL pass through flash trigger, it will work as a TTL pass through trigger flash system. So how we use it? First we switch on our flash trigger and receiver both. Okay, there's a channel setting. You can set your channel. Right now both are on channel 1. So how we use it? We put the receiver under the flash. We use our horseshoe stand. As we are using it, we're gonna put it here. Okay, and just switch it on. So it also takes AAA batteries, both flash and trigger and receiver. This is our trigger. So if you just press this, it should fire. It's firing like same as here. If you put it on your camera, it will fire also. Here is our camera. Switch it off. Now slide my trigger onto camera. I switch it on. Switch it on the receiver. Same. So now you see it how easy it is to use. So why we are using it off camera and not on camera, the flash? Why we are putting our flashes off camera? The main reason to put your camera off, to using our flash off camera is to get a more professional looking picture. See, if you are using your pop-up camera or your flash on the camera, it's the same thing. it doesn't make any difference. You will get the same result because you are firing your flash from the same angle as your lenses. So this is the main reason of red eye or the flatten of the picture. It doesn't produce good results. But with this off camera flash, it produce professional images with the you will have the depth in your pictures. It create much more likable pictures. So this is our flash. This is good quality flash. You can buy it from photosquare.in. This also comes with the flash expander and flash card. Digitech 003 is also same as Simpex VT531 and Simpex 522 is also same. These are all same variety, same feature, same build quality, just a difference of model here. Price is almost same. We are offering it for 2100. We are selling it for 2100 there from www.photosquare.in. You can check it there. All our stuff are available there. This Digitech flash, these Simpex flash trigger also. You see, recently we have introduced our audio mics or wireless mics also. This is the same lapel mic I'm using here. This is connected to my video camera, and I'm using it just directly from video camera. There is no amplifier or this comes with a 3.5 jack. I'm directly using it on my camera. And the same lightning we are using Digitech DT300 LED light and Simpex Tri-Light CFL light with this. So all the stuffs we are using here to make this video are available from our site www.photosquare.in. So I really hope you like this video and keep coming to our channel. Thank you.